Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Poland channel. Have you ever heard someone say, "Oh, Poland? Isn't it always just cold?" Or maybe you've pictured a land perpetually blanketed in snow, like a year-round Christmas card. Well, get ready, because today we're not just busting that myth, we're throwing it out the window and opening the curtains to the real, vibrant, and incredibly diverse climate of Poland. You're about to see this country in a whole new light, one that might just surprise you and make you want to experience every single season for yourself. So grab a warm drink, or a cold one, depending on where you are, and let's dive into the fascinating truth about Polish weather. For too long, Poland's climate has been simplified, often reduced to just its undeniably chilly but beautiful winters. And yes, those winters are a significant part of the story, painting landscapes with crisp white snow and offering opportunities for cozy evenings by the fire or exhilarating adventures on the ski slopes. But to focus solely on winter is like reading only the last chapter of an amazing book. You miss the blossoming spring, the sun-drenched summers, and the breathtaking beauty of autumn. Poland, you see, sits in a unique geographical sweet spot, right at the crossroads of different weather systems. Imagine the Atlantic Ocean bringing its mild, moist air from the west, gently clashing with the more extreme continental influences drifting in from the east. This isn't just a weather report. It's a dramatic ballet of air masses, and the result is a country that truly experiences all four seasons in their full, distinct glory. It's a land of contrast, and that's precisely what makes it so captivating. If you're finding this intriguing so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us bring more content like this to you. Let's kick things off with a season that often gets overlooked when people think of Poland. Summer? Yes, Poland has summer, and it's glorious. Forget everything you thought you knew about perpetual gray skies. From June to August, Poland transforms. Days are long, often stretching past 9 p.m., bathed in warm golden sunlight. Picture yourself strolling through bustling city squares, ice cream in hand, or relaxing by one of Poland's thousands of serene lakes, the water sparkling under a clear blue sky. Temperatures commonly reach a comfortable 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. That's 68 to 77 Fahrenheit. And it's not uncommon to experience heat waves where the mercury climbs above 30 degrees Celsius, 86 Fahrenheit. These are perfect days for exploring the vibrant outdoors, whether it's hiking in the mountains, cycling through picturesque villages, or enjoying a refreshing dip in the Baltic Sea. Summer also brings a bounty of fresh fruits and vegetables, and local markets overflow with colorful produce. It's a time for outdoor festivals, lively cafe culture, and simply soaking up the warmth. Have you ever visited Poland in the summer? Tell us about your favorite summer memory in the comments below. Now, as the long summer days begin to shorten, Poland gracefully transitions into autumn, a season so beautiful it has its own special name. Złota, Polska jesień, or Golden Polish Autumn. And believe me, it lives up to the name. Imagine forests ablaze with fiery reds, oranges, and yellows, the air crisp and clear, and the sunlight casting long, dappled shadows. Early autumn, particularly September and early October, often offers what we call an Indian summer. Warm, sunny days perfect for long walks or mushroom picking in the woods. Temperatures are milder, often around 10 to 18 degrees Celsius, 50 to 64 Fahrenheit, making it an ideal time for sightseeing without the summer crowds. But as autumn progresses into November, the character changes. The colors deepen, the air grows cooler, and while there might be more rain and overcast skies, there's a distinct beauty in the approaching stillness of winter. It's a time for reflection, for enjoying a warm drink indoors, and for appreciating nature's spectacular final show before the quiet white blanket arrives. And then, of course, there's winter, the season everyone talks about. And yes, Polish winters are genuinely cold, but they are also incredibly atmospheric and often breathtakingly beautiful. From December to February, temperatures generally hover around freezing, often dipping to -5 to 3 degrees Celsius, 23 to 37 Fahrenheit, with significant snowfall, especially in the mountainous regions to the south and the cold pole of the northeast. But don't let the numbers scare you. Imagine crisp, frosty mornings, charming towns dusted with fresh snow, and the magical glow of Christmas markets. It's the perfect time for skiing or snowboarding in the Tatras, ice skating in city parks, or simply enjoying the cozy warmth of a traditional Polish home with a cup of hot tea or mulled wine. The quiet beauty of a snow-covered landscape has a unique charm, creating a serene and almost fairy tale-like atmosphere. Winter in Poland isn't just about enduring the cold, it's about embracing it and finding joy in its unique offerings. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the Poland channel, so you don't miss out on our future explorations of this incredible country. Finally, we arrive at spring, a season of undeniable optimism and renewal. After the quiet stillness of winter, Poland bursts back to life with an almost palpable energy. March can still feel a bit chilly, sometimes even surprising us with a late snowfall, reminding us that winter hasn't quite packed its bags. But as April arrives, and especially into May, the transformation is rapid and dramatic. Average daytime temperatures climb steadily, reaching comfortable highs in the teens Celsius, and the sun makes more frequent appearances. Trees bud, flowers bloom in vibrant colors, and the air fills with the sounds of returning birds. It's a time for longer walks, for picnics in the park, and for witnessing nature's spectacular rebirth. Spring is a testament to Poland's resilience and its ability to constantly surprise and delight. It's truly a season that embodies hope and new beginnings. So, the next time someone asks you about the weather in Poland, or if you hear that tired old cliché about it always being cold, you'll know the truth. You'll know that Poland is a land of vibrant summers, golden autumns, beautifully atmospheric winters, and hopeful springs. It's a country that truly offers something for every season and every preference. It's this very diversity and the distinct character of each season that makes visiting or living in Poland such a rich and rewarding experience. This isn't just about meteorology, it's about the rhythm of life, the changing landscapes, and the incredible experiences each season brings. We hope this journey through Poland's climate has opened your eyes and perhaps even inspired your next adventure. If you want to learn even more about this incredible country, check out the links in our description for other videos and resources. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Poland.